Kuki City Board of Education believes that STEAM education will be the core of Japanese education in the future. This is because when considering human resources who will play an active role in society in the future, general skills for discovering issues and solving those issues with collaborating with others is essential. When I was introduced to MiScreen A4, and heard this story, I thought, this is it. It will be a model for STEAM education. The first attraction as a teaching material is that it becomes an artwork. Being able to create an eco-tote bag that the student can use in real daily life. Students can be SDGs conscious in their daily life. The second point is that any design is possible. As you can see from the fact that there is an A in the elements of S, T, E, A, M, art is important for education. I was amazed to learn there is such an attractive teaching material that can freely design and create art pieces. Furthermore, when considering STEAM education, association with science and technology is important. Students can simultaneously study science, technology and art in a collaborative class. It is easy to model a class that combines manual crafts, housecraft, and art while securing time for comprehensive study. Students are gaining the consciousness that they will take the initiative and the joy of creating new things. I think it is excitement that triggers the motivation to learn. It is not how much knowledge is packed, but how exciting the children can be and how can they design the learning so that they can work on their own. There was an outstanding effect on that.
I felt that students were thinking and working on their own more than I had imagined. Trial and error is unavoidable in programming, and that was exactly what I was aiming for the class. After all, having students experience creating deepened their curiosity and learning, and I think it was a turning point opportunity.
I think it is the role of the teacher to provide exciting material for the students, and to coordinate the students who have started to run toward it to achieve results.